Hey everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life, and today is Monday full of minis. It's a fun way to start off my week. I hope you guys are doing well. I have 50, I just did this, $50 for Monday minis, hoping to be able to finish a couple of them. And so yeah, let's just get started. I guess I will count because yesterday I didn't count my money. So that's $10. And gotta do the sort quick, especially with hopefully 41s. So 1, 40. Perfect. So as I get going, hopefully I'll be able to buy back those 5s and continue on. So up first out of the gate, I have Budget with Tiffany, her Olympics freebie for reaching 500 or 600. I think 500. And I love it so much, so I'm going to put that in the 4 spot. And then this is Neen's budget. She's so nice and supportive. Coke Zero, cheers to you, my friend. I'm going to put that in the number 1 spot. So a new one we have is the Got Lemons, Make Lemonade from Bookish Mama Budgets. It's Lindsay over there. I'll put her next to Tiffany. And then, let's see. This one cracks me up. I don't always whoop, but when I do, there it is. So this is from Save Now, Travel Later. And she travels a lot, and just, this is her freebie on her page. So if you don't know her, but you think this is hilarious like I do, please go and watch a few videos, and you can download that and subscribe while you're at it. Why not? And then I have one more Olympic one from Budget with Tiffany, and I'll put this in the 6th spot. And then last but not least, you've reached the age where your bin goes out more than you do. Accurate, very accurate. So that is that. I'll put my little bin over here. So let's see. All right, I've got a Tina, I've got my money. Of course, I have to touch things and move it around. I don't know why, because it's just going to get messed up in a second. Okay, so I will roll the dice, and this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Each one of them will get $2, and hopefully I have a sinking fund or an expense or debt or something listed on the back of each of these. And if I finish one, it'll go into my completed savings challenge bag. And then at the end of the month, I'll sort it out and put it to whatever specific category it was supposed to go to, or if it wasn't listed to a category, it'll either go to my randomizer or to debt. So let's get started. I hope everyone's doing well. I had a nice weekend. All right, come on, number 2. So that one's hilarious. I can stay. Oh, come on, 2. And And then I can buy back these 2 5s. Pretty sure. Well, I can do both of them right there. Perfect. All right, we have 5 more turns. Let's go. Yay for 2. Yay for 2. And last one is number 1. All right, I'll clean up and we will see what we got. Okay, up first we have the Olympic one from Budget with Tiffany. We got 10. So we can mark off 5 of the 2s, so almost a whole set, but we got to finish this one. 3, 4, and 5. So all together so far, we have 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, $18, and it saves 30. And let's see, let's do this one next. All right, so each one of these are $1, so it'll save $12. I have it going to taxes. I think this one was F1. Nope, personal loan. Good for me. When I put it to debt, I always congratulate myself. Okay, so in this one from Weekly Budgets Co., just cracks me up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, we only needed 6. We finished 1. So I'm going to put these 2 to the side. Let's make sure there's 12 here. Well, first, let's... All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. $12 going to taxes. And I have a paper clip here. Let's do the ding the cha-ching. Yeah. Yay. Okay. That's awesome. All right, that's going to go there because once again, I didn't bring my little bag over. So we do need a new challenge. Oh, goodness gracious. Good thing I have 97,000. That's just funny. Okay. So many Halloween. All right, I think I'm going to do prop budgets. Her little puppy dog. I'm pretty sure I bought these, but now I don't know. I don't know, but I'll have prop budgets linked below, and you can check out and see what her freebies are on her Ko-fi, because I don't remember. So this will obviously go to dogs. All right, so Jake and Coco, so we're starting them off. Do I want to try to attempt to color? Oh, each one's $2. Just kidding. Okay. These are cool pens, Sharpie Creative Marker. They're fun. Okay, so that one's got $2 in. Prop Budgets, Hannah over there, such a cute little pupper, and it's going for Jake and Coco. So I don't always whoop, but when I do, there it is. Save now, travel later. This is a freebie on her page. And so let's see, each one is worth $1. We got 1, 2, 3, and 4. So let's do 1, 2, 3, and 4. So for this one, we should have $8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep, perfect. Almost, not quite halfway through. This was a new one we started. Holy cow, got a lot. Okay, so Got Lemons, Make Lemonade. This is from Bookish Mama Budgets. I have it going to my hair. So it'll be $15 when we're done. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Wow, that was really close to being done. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I'll do these first. So we only need 3 left on this one. That's awesome. And that was hair. That's right. All right, so we finished that one. Let's see, Olympics. We needed 3. I think we got it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we only needed 3. So this should be $15. $15. This is also for Jake and Coco. So we finished that. You get all right, let's ding the cha-ching. Yay! Woohoo! Jazz hands. All right. I don't know why I whisper that, but it makes me laugh because a couple people caught me doing it once and they keep saying it. It makes me laugh, so I end up doing it. Okay, so that's 2, so we need 1 more. Oh, I still have my giant stack over here. All right, so we did that one. Oh, it's this cuteness. Oh, yeah. This is some cute ones from Printable by Woods. She has really cute book ones and some puppy ones too. I think I'm going to do this one. Yeah. So Printable by Woods. She has a Ko-fi, YouTube, pretty sure an Etsy. I don't know why I'm blanking. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 1 each. Total 15. And we get to add 3 today. So let's just do... Yay, $3 for that. I can't believe we finished 2. That's so exciting. Okay. Let's Be Cheesy Friends from Neen's Budget. We got 10. So we can mark off 5 of these. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we only have $6 more for this one. That's going to Local Adventures. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, $18. 18, 20, so it saves $24. Yep. Woohoo! Oh, that was so cool. So I love Mini Mondays. Short and sweet. We finished 2 of them. One from Budget with Tiffany and Weekly Budgets Co. So yeah, thank you so much for being here. And until next time, which is Tiny Tuesday, have a great week. Bye. Oh, I messed that up. Okay, so hope you have a great week. Until next time, take care. Bye.